Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about the fact that I got a drone, but first today was also the first day of distance learning for my child. That's what the drink's for. Cheers, we made it through that. I feel really bad for the teachers right now. I feel bad that the teachers have to not only teach their class, but I had to run up and down the stairs so many times today because my kid needed help with something. So I couldn't imagine being a teacher and trying to sit and teach and then having to stop and help my kid too. So I hope they might have had it handled a little bit better, but cheers to the teachers. So they have completely shut Hawaii down. I guess not completely, but like they took all the fun stuff away. You can't go to the beach, you can't go to the parks, you can't go on hikes. They pretty much closed nature, but you can go to the mall, you can go to restaurants. It doesn't make any sense. But with that being said, we bought a drone. It really just ended up, we were at Costco and they had it there, a little bundle for sale. So we got it. It's the Mavic Mini, and it is the bundle with, it came with the little dome charger thingy. It's pretty cool. Yeah, so we took it out yesterday. I've never flown a drone before. We took it out yesterday morning and realized very quickly that we live a little too close to the airport, and by a little too close I mean we live maybe 50 feet too close to the airport. We walk halfway down the street and we are no longer in a no-fly zone. So I can never fly it at home, so I can't play with it and practice it at home. I have to go to the park down the road. So it did let me fly it just a tiny bit in our yard, and I don't know why it let me, but after it started flying, it decided to tell me that it was no longer allowed to fly there, and then it was automatically going to land. So there's like a little 30-second clip from that. We kind of just spun around in circles and went over our wall a little bit, like it really wasn't a thing, but it was good to know that I could at least check and see if it worked before it shut down completely and wouldn't let me fly it anymore. So last night we walked over to, I don't want to even say it was a park, it was kind of just like a grassy area in a cul-de-sac down the street, and we flew it over. So drones kind of creep me out a little bit. Like I think it's weird when drones are flying over people's houses, so I really didn't want to fly this around people's houses. I think it's a little creepy. So we went over there and I was trying to fly it over the golf course, but the golf course kind of starts to approach that no-fly zone. So it wouldn't let me go very far, and actually flying the drone gave me huge anxiety, especially because the sun was going down and I could no longer hear it and I could no longer see it. And at one point I turned the drone to kind of try to face it back towards, so that I could see on the camera to face it back towards where we were so that maybe I could see to bring it back, and there's a palm tree right there. Totally freaked out, had a little bit of a panic, but we got it back. We didn't hit the palm tree, thank goodness. Actually I was reading a lot after we almost hit the palm tree. I was reading some stories because I thought it was interesting, and I wondered how many people actually run their drone into things. I know the higher end ones have sensors and whatnot, but this one does not. It has no sensors, it has no anything. You're just supposed to keep your eye on it. And so I was reading these horror stories. There was one guy who crashed his drone into a tree the very first time he used it. So what I was out there doing, he crashed his into a tree. So it's totally possible. Now I have a little more anxiety about it, and next time I fly it, I don't want to be anywhere near any trees. Don't even want a chance. I was worried about crashing it into the ocean, and losing it forever, but apparently a tree is way more likely, and now I'm super nervous about it. But anyway, we kind of flew it around. I'm going to insert some clips just to show you what it looks like. Like I said, I've never flown a drone before. This is a new thing. I definitely plan to eventually use it for business, but for right now I think it's just like a fun little family toy. My husband has zero interest in photography, but he might be kind of obsessed with this, so I think I'll get him to go on some shoots with me just so he can fly the drone wherever we are. But yeah, I am not a drone. I don't know anything about the drones. All I can tell you is I think it's super cool. But yeah, here's some more of the shots that we took, and yeah. Like I said, it was nothing like amazing. You feel like you click on a video about a drone in Hawaii and you expect something epic. The sun was going down, the sunset's beautiful. We were just in our neighborhood, but hey, we didn't crash it. It still is beautiful. Like I'm very impressed with the quality of it for, I think it was like $3.89 at Costco. But yeah, I will probably do, maybe I'll do another video, like an update after we've really used it with some more footage. Yeah, I mean that's it. So cheers one more time to the teachers out there. I hope that Hawaii can get its act together and I can get back to shooting, because I'm not gonna lie, it's a little depressing, it's a little sad that we really can't do anything fun. Like I said, I can go to a restaurant, I can go stand in line at Walmart, but I can't go on a hike or go to the beach. I mean, we can be in the water, which is weird, so maybe I'll do something and play with the GoPro in the water, but yeah. If you like this video and you want to see more, maybe I'll make it a playlist called the Drone Chronicles and we'll see what happens. But yeah, we love the drone. So far it's super fun. If you like this video, please subscribe, give it a thumbs up. It's good for the algorithm, and I will see you next time. Bye!